I'm finally relieved that I get to do this. Hey, Green Tribe, this is Monica, your mean greenie, and I'm here to talk about something that I have clamored about in my past videos. Yeah, we're talking about plastics, how much of a menace they are, the detrimental effects they have on us. These you can find in my last videos here. I have spoken about how we can recycle our plastic bottles, how we can minimize their use, and I'm so happy that I got to finally do this, where I signed up with Recycle Points and coordinated with them, and they finally are taking my PET bottles away. You know those single-use plastic bottles that you use for water? Yeah, these ones. So each bottle means you get one recycle point. You get an iron. To be honest, that is what I'm really gunning for. I really need an iron. So what if you don't have many plastic bottles in your home? You can talk to your neighbors, you can liaise with them, you can talk to them about recycle points. What better way to do the right thing by recycling your bottles and also garnering a bit of wealth? Yes, it can be a slow process to get as much as you want recycle points to buy something or to have cash prizes. But I mean, we have a whole lifetime. We're going to use a lot of bottles, so why don't you take advantage of that and slowly start garnering? Now, what I did was really simple. First, I went into the Recycle Points website. I contacted them, wrote them an email that this is what I'm interested in. I got through to someone that was able to help me, and then they came to my house. They took all my bottles away. As you can see, this is a pile that I'm waiting for them to come and collect. They already took my last one. This is another batch. And the good thing is, it's not only plastic bottles. They also recycle carton papers, glass bottles. So I've already started garnering it here. I know it looks like a dump site right now, but I feel so good when they just take everything away. And I already have plans to speak to other neighbors about it and see if they can get to recycle their bottles or give me their bottles so that I can recycle them. So it's a work in progress. Now, I'm not saying Recycle Points are the only companies. Hell no. We have Recyclers, we have Recycle Pay, and so many more. All these websites and all these Instagram handles, I will put them down in the link below. It is something you should get in touch with, and it's a good way to start the recycling habits. I mean, when we go overseas, we see everybody having different dustbins, and we follow according to the country's requirements of recycling. So why can't we start it here? One more thing. For all those people who are watching this and are jotting down and think that what I'm saying makes sense or it's educational and informative, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it around to other people that would want to know. I mean, you might be near Recycle Points and you would have never known. So please do that. Let's get back. Another way to recycle your plastic and also feel like you're giving back is to sign up with Mental Environmental Development Initiative for Children. This is also known as MEDIC, where they urge people to donate their plastic bottles to them, and that in turn is used to empower the 3 communities that they work with. And empower means financially, whether it is donating clothes to them, donating food, or even donating your plastics. So this is one way you can do it. You can either work with recycling companies and be in a process of donating giving your plastics 4 points, or you just donate them because you feel it's the right thing to do to empower other people that are underprivileged. It's just better than simply dumping it in your trash, because this plastic bottle will go into a landfill, and we have microplastics in us because we feed on the fish too. And plastics are known to be carcinogenic. We might not think it's an issue right now because we don't know where these plastics go to, but later on the issues come back to us. So we've come to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it educational. So please start recycling your bottles. It's very easy. Just get a carton and start keeping your bottles. Urge the people in your houses to do the same, or your neighbors. Provide them with a carton and tell them, please put your plastic bottles in there, and help them recycle, or urge them to recycle too. We are making a better planet that way. Thank you so much for being part of this video, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye.